Hi guys! Hello everyone! Today we are going to make hey, what are we going to
Mango.
Okay, we are going to make sticky rice with ripe mangoes. Okay, my son's favorite meal. Okay, you want to stay up here? Okay, okay. What? Tell them what are you going to eat? What are we going to cook?
Why mango?
Huh?
Why mango? We're going to eat mangoes today. Mangoes.
No, okay. Sita, he always name everything like he add y at the end like blanket. He call blanketly.
No.
Huh?
Mango. Yeah, blankly.
Blanketly.
And the nappy he called blankie.
Yeah, and if you notice, he just say mango.
That's mangly.
Yeah, mangly. Okay, so he always add y at the end. Okay, so we are going to make sticky rice with ripe mango.
Mango.
Yeah, mango. Okay, of course. So let's get started. Okay, guys. Let's prepare the ingredients first, okay?
But we are ready.
Yeah, so we have to teach them how to do it, okay? But they don't know, right? They don't know what the ingredients are. Can you tell them?
Some know, some do.
Yeah, you're right. So can you tell them the ingredients that we have to use if you want to make sticky rice with mango, okay? Of course, you have to have ripe mangoes, okay? Ripe mangoes. Can you get me a ripe mango over there, that one, in the plastic bag? You can use this one too. Okay. This is ripe mango, okay? Not raw mangoes. The raw one is green. Yeah, the ripe mangoes. See, ripe mangoes are yellow and it's sweet. What else do we need? We need sticky rice, of course, and we are going to show you how to make steam sticky rice. Okay. What else? Coconut milk, a little bit of salt and sugar, and a banana leaf. Okay, to make the smell very, very nice. Okay. Let's get started. Let's do it now. Yes, this is the sticky rice. Okay, you have to soak it in the water first. Okay, like maybe 3 or 4 hours. Okay, then it will become like this. Next, we're going to cook this one. Okay guys, our sticky rice is ready now. So we are going to keep it in the sticky rice container like this. Okay, or you can keep it in the plastic bag. It's okay, but make sure that your plastic bag is safe for keeping the hot meal inside. Okay. Yeah, we do, honey. We have. Huh? Sita just asked me that do we have coconut milk? Of course we do. Yes, I put it in the fridge, honey. I keep it in the fridge.
Let's see.
Yes.
In fridge.
Here. See?
Mom, but I'm here.
Smell very nice.
Mom,
Huh?
I'm over here.
Okay, be careful. How could you do that? Okay. Next, we are going to put the coconut milk in the pot. Okay, and you heat it then you add some sugar and a little bit of salt, okay? And after that, we put these steam sticky rice, okay, in the pot, okay, and stir it. Yeah, then how to make sticky rice? I mean the yummy one, the delicious one that you will eat with ripe mangoes. Okay, let's do it. Huh? Water. Can you say please? Yeah, this one. Yes, all. Oh, be careful. Yeah. First, okay, you pour the coconut milk in the pot.
Oh.
Hmm.
Let's see.
Can you see it? Okay.
But they can't.
Huh?
They can't.
Squeeze it, honey.
Ice cream.
Sita said it looks like ice cream.
Can make like this.
Huh?
Mom. Yes, enough.
Enough?
Not all yet. Not all.
How we do the rest? And these are pandan leaf, guys. Or how do we call this in Thai, guys? Can you remember?
No.
You don't know?
Yeah.
Bai tơi.
Bai tơi.
Yeah, in Thai we call bai tơi.
Oh, bai
Okay?
khơi.
It smells very nice.
Can you make?
You can smell it, of course. Asita smell.
Yeah. Yeah.
How? Yeah, nice, isn't it? Yeah, it smells very nice. So I'm going to put this inside the coconut too. Yeah, can you do it, honey? Oh, stir it, guys. Stir it. Look, stir it. Can you stir it? You stir it. It smells good, right? Yeah.
My milk.
Honey, can you add a little bit of salt? You. Okay.
Okay, which one is salt?
This one is salt. Can you use the spoon, honey? Look, the spoon, please. Sita, get him spoon, yeah.
Ôi chị ta
Okay, get the big one. Let him help. You stir it. Can you let me? Okay, just a little bit. That's too much. Yeah, a little bit. Yeah, of salt. Okay, come here. Add a little bit of salt. Okay. Sugar too, honey. Sugar. More. Like maybe 2 spoons. 2 spoons of sugar. Yes. Yes. Add it. More. Yes, you can use that one. More. Okay, yeah.
Enough, Sita, enough.
A little bit more. If you want.
A little bit, Sita.
Yeah. Okay, thank you, guys. Then stir it.
Okay.
Yeah, stir it. Okay.
I need something. Now I want something.
Smells very nice, huh?
I need something. Yes, salt.
Okay, that's great. Next, we add sticky rice, okay, into the pot. Then you stir it. Papa, stir it, honey. Oh, be careful, honey, be careful. Hold the handle too.
But I need a glove.
Okay, I will do it. I will do it then, I will do it.
No. I want it.
Yes, I will help you. Yeah. Stir it. Okay. Ooh, it smells very nice.
เอาโคตรบีฟ
เนี่ยค่ะก็จะเรียบร้อยแล้วนะคะ
เอาโคตรบีฟ
See, it's ready now. You can eat with ripe mangoes.
I don't even buy it.
Oh, next let's peel ripe mango.
But
Okay.
we already hit peel it.
Okay, yeah, we already prepared it. Okay. Let's put it on the dish then. Let's go.
What did you wait? Look at mine. Mine is mine.
Wow, it looks so nice.
Okay.
Okay.
The ear. The head.
What's it?
The ear. The hair. The hair.
How was it?
The hair.
Come on, tell them. Tell your friends. How was it?
Big red. My other
Wonderful.
mango.
Sita, how was it? Yummy?
No, I'm not eat it yet. God.
Okay, try.
That's his? It's funny. But I must eat it. No. And put it. Well, I'm still eating it. Put it. Yeah. Put it. Yeah. Put it. Yeah. Put it.
Okay, can you say something to your fans? Can you tell them to subscribe?
Subscribe and like, subscribe the button.
Swallow first before you speak.
Subscribe and subscribe over here. You can subscribe here. Subscribe up there. Did. You must
Okay.
subscribe here, okay? Subscribe already? Subscribe already? Let's just eating. Did. We are eating.